It's the very famous band. Will be. Lee.
So we start here and go around?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Przedstawimy motocykl tego numeru. 57 to jest oczywiście motocykl Billy Bolta, a ze mną tutaj jest, przejdę na swój łamany angielski for my English. Sorry. I talked with the brother of very famous rider Edmondson, Lee Edmondson, who is the mechanic of Billy Bolt.
Yes.
Yeah. Lee, thank you very much for the interview, the first. And the second, tell me something about the Billy. Who's this, the mayor? Is in Poland we say is very crazy, the positive crazy man.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. Very crazy man. In England we call him an animal because like he's wild and just yeah, he bashes into things and he's so big and so strong that he can get himself out of trouble a lot. And but, yeah, he's a little bit crazy, but in a good way. Because I think you need the craziness about a rider. So.
Okay, we tried to explain the motorcycle of Billy on the front, on the rear. Yeah. Please, what is the different on the serious when he buying on the shops the same motorcycle?
Okay, right. We start on the front. I mean, on the front end, obviously the big difference from standard is the suspension. We run the 48mm cone valve suspension from WP.
Yeah.
Yeah. Obviously, the discard, the Service carbon discard that's a little bit different. That we use this really for the rocks and stuff to protect the disc.
Yeah.
On this side, you can see the whole shot device. We use this for the indoor races as well for the start. The wheels are XL, just a little bit stronger for the indoors. Then we move around. Everything is
Lee,
pretty
I don't see the lamp.
No, this is just so he doesn't break it.
Why?
No, it's just in the indoors you don't need to have working lights or anything, so it's better for us to put this, and it's more space behind the headlight.
I think you also the fight on the weight, yeah?
Yes, yeah,
so
a little bit.
You don't have the lamp, yeah?
Yeah, a little bit. So we move, everything is pretty much standard, the plastics are standard and everything like this. We move, the handlebars are more like for Billy's bend. I mean, you can see the grip. He has like a really long grip.
Why?
This is coming from Trials because the Trials grip is really thin.
Thin, yeah.
Yeah, so he makes me stretch the grip just so the feeling is better and he's more comfortable. But other than this, I mean, it's all, we run these. These just help, like they're not as rigid, they can move a little bit. Yeah. Especially when he crashes a lot and he can move back to where he wants. But
the clutch is series?
The clutch is standard.
Standard?
Yeah, standard. Really? I mean, on the Husqvarna, they come with Magura clutches, but we are sponsored by Brembo, so we put the Brembo. But this is standard on a KTM bike. So no, Billy runs a little bit taller seat, a little bit higher, just because he's a big guy, and it's less thing for him to travel to sit and stand up. On the engine, as I say, is from the motorsport factory in Austria. Not so much difference, to be honest. It's just little things what Billy prefers in an engine. Everything is standard here. The gear lever is standard. The foot pegs are from Raptor.
Is the titanium?
Yeah, titanium. There, as I say, they're a little bit just like for the grip and everything. And also the foot pegs are five lower and 5 back. So
I understand.
Just so he's what he prefers. So we run.
Billy prefers this position.
Yeah, he prefers this position. As I say, all the plastics are standard. Obviously,
what is this?
This is from a skateboard. The sticky for the grip. He likes to have this grip on the side of the knees, just so when he grips the bike, it's a little bit better.
Okay, but understand.
As I say, moving to the back, we run an O-ring chain.
Is it also standard?
It's not standard. No, it's as I say, it's RK. We are sponsored by them, so we run that material. It's very good. The Sprockets, we use these 1250.
Yeah.
This is a little bit different to standard because with the indoors, the courses are very tight. So, yeah, it's better to have just so it doesn't stall a lot and stuff, and the power is there.
Tires?
Tires is Michelin. Michelin Mousses, Michelin tires. This is actually the super soft tire. Because the track today is very slippy with the logs and stuff, so we have gone for the super soft.
Tell me once again, maybe I'm not understanding, I'm not sure. On the rear and the front is 1215?
1250.
1250, okay.
Yeah, 1250, yeah. I think all the guys are pretty much, especially on the 350s, are pretty much the same within 1 or 2 tuff.
Okay, so, we're going to the back?
Yeah, we move around to the back. This is an aftermarket park, the HUSQVARNA disc guard. So this is, you can buy this out the Power Parts catalogue.
Also
and also the carbon cover. Yeah, just a little bit more protection. Yeah, that we said about the foot specs. I run the linkage guard here.
Yeah.
Because when, like, if he hits a logs or something and gets stuck, sometimes if you don't have this, the linkage gets stuck on the log. So this is like flat here, so he can roll off.
My colleague Carlos, who watched more the film when the Billy races, is the guy have the good opinion about suspension. Told me that the rear suspension of the Billy, his opinion, is the best on the world. Yeah. Really, yeah. Is it good?
Yeah, no, he's good. I mean, Billy is happy with it. He does a lot of testing with it and stuff, and he's a very he knows what he wants from the suspension. So yeah, from that side, yeah, the same. The grip on the side is the same.
On the skiboard.
Yeah, as a skateboard, on the same as the other side as well. So
the pump is the standard.
Yeah, it's completely standard. The brake, we run again the tip of the brake just for it's a little bit stronger than the standard one, so it doesn't bend quite easy. On the exhaust pipe, we run the full FMF titanium system
for the front and the rear.
Yeah, and front and the rear.
Yeah.
So this is also not standard. Yeah, and then that's it. Moving to the front, everything is just how Billy likes the bike.
Billy used the second, this one.
Yeah.
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 Where is the second?
The second one is he's here.
Ah, he's here.
Yeah, he's here. Just in case this one breaks, we have another.
I understand.
Another thing, but that is the bike of Billy Bolt.
You know how motorcycle of Billy weight? Which one is weight? 100 kilo? How many?
I don't know, to be honest. We have never weighed the thing. I know Billy is heavy.
Billy is heavy and crazy.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, Dan, for the introduce.
No problem.
Yeah. Good race, I wish you.
I hope.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.